like to thank the ITI committee for inviting me. It's a big honor to speak to this dedicated people. And I'd like to share with you two presentations. The one is right now, and the other one will be tomorrow morning. And I'd like to share with you some aspects I do in my private office on an everyday basis. We have heard a lot about digital aspects during the last minutes and hours. I just want to go here. Can you just help me to go forward? Oh, there we are. So, the question is, brave new digital world, how much digital aspects do we really need? There are many things, and digital is around everywhere. And as you see here, everybody is listening, and we heard a lot about new developments during the last years. And if we look at a presentation I heard from Professor Gallucci, and he presented in Australia, here you can see the amount of papers which had been printed on two aspects. The one is IO scanning, which is the green line here, and the other is CAD/CAM constructions. And that was only in 2012. So there's a big interest in digital technique that we see every day. And if we come to implant technology, you all know this paper which has been printed in Sweden, in Gothenburg. And the main point was they looked at a hell lot of implants being placed mainly in 2003. And they found that there was very little loss of these implants. So we were able to do implant therapy in 2003 without any digital technology.